Hey everyone, it's me Oishi. It's been a while, but I'm back with a new video on how to make Chun-Li's outfit from Street Fighter. If you don't know who that is, she's this really cool character from a game with massive, powerful legs, which I don't have, but I still really like her outfit and I'm going to try to make it today. I started by draping muslin on half of my dress form. All you want is a basic fitted sheath dress with darts in the front and the back. The back is pretty much the same. I will use my measurements later and take out from the center back where the zipper will go. I am going to use these as the pattern pieces. The back is pointed like so. For the sleeves, I took a basic sleeve pattern and spread it out like this to make a puff sleeve. The mandarin collar will be separated in the back by the zipper, so there will be 2 pieces, but I will cut out 4 altogether. These are the scallop edges that will go on the sleeve cuff. I will also cut out 4 of these altogether. So now I'm just going to cut all the pieces out and start putting everything together. For this dress, I made spaghetti cording out of gold bias satin strips that I use for the decoration. I just top stitched them on, but let me know if you want a tutorial on it. It's very simple. I also cut shapes out from the satin fabric to make other design details. We're almost done with the dress. Now I'm sewing up the sides to just the high hip area since she has very high side slits. For the sleeves, I made a wide stitch along the top and the bottom, and now I'm pulling it to make ruching for the puff sleeve. Now I'm installing the invisible zipper in the back. Now I'm hemming all the raw edges on the bottom and using some wide bias trims to use as decoration. Lastly, I'm making the accessories. I didn't put too much effort in this part. I just made a tube out of stretchy white fabric for the belt. And that's it. You can be more accurate with the costume, but here's my take on it. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments below which costume I should do next. Bye!